pram. When me I go wear now? When me I go wear? What is it I am going to wear? Cause everything is just a joke to you, and it's just a game. You just a laugh of your 32 teeth.
Hey guys, it's your girl Jen. I'm back with another one, guys. So I went to the secondhand store and I bought a shirt. And I'm gonna pretend that it's a Kane shirt out of the closet and that I'm ironing it. And I burnt it. So he's always asking me to iron his shirts. And I cannot stand ironing. So let's see, maybe this will make it so that he won't ever ask me to do it again. So hold on. And remember guys, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Don't just watch it. You have to hit the subscribe button. Okay? You gotta help us out. I hope this is gonna be a good one. Let's see. Babe! Oh my gosh. Oh, shoot.
Just baby. From here.
I kind of ruined your shirt.
Where are you now? Where?
I don't know what I did. I'm trying to iron your shirt.
You know, say you don't want to do it, it's because you don't want to do it, you know. And that's why, you know. Because I always have to tell you to do. So, oh, this is going to come out now, you still are pressed. Where you still are pressed, B? Yo, Jen wants to come like, boy, man.
Dude, is there any way we can wash it out?
Oh, this is going to wash, baby, look. Just because you don't want to do it, look how you burn up on the freaking iron.
I didn't do it on purpose.
What do you mean you do it on purpose?
I didn't do it on purpose, babe. Like, why would you think I did it on purpose?
B, come on, B. Come on now, baby. Come on now. Yo, John, what's that? So what do you do up here, so? What do you
No, I'm gonna iron them now.
No, you're not iron my clothes, you know. You're not iron no more. It's alright. It's good. It's good. It's good. Them good, man. You don't want to do it, it's alright. You know what I mean?
I didn't do it on purpose.
You know what I'm going to do, because you see it? You're spiteful in this, because all it be, you must have the iron pan it so for you all long. Look on that. Just look on that.
Maybe I got it turned up too high. I don't know. Let me see.
Be a one
It's
thing
not
I
even
beg you to do, be if I cook, I cook. Anything me I do in the house, I do it. Be a one thing I beg you to do.
I'll just get you another one. I'll get you another one.
Be every minute you do something you want, get me a next one, get me a next one. We don't have money like that, baby. That's what I am saying to you.
I can't believe I did this. Oh my gosh.
Be a laugh.
It's garbage,
That's
yeah.
the next thing be.
It's garbage now.
So you just want, yeah. Each time you spoil my clothes, I tell my boy, you go buy a next one and you go do this and that. But you don't have money for waste like that. Even for your money, we have to curve. Because we have saved towards something. Wait, what is the solution going forward?
Wait.
With this? No, listen.
I told you I do not like ironing. Did I not tell you that?
You understand.
I told you I don't like ironing.
Yeah,
so I can never
get
the wrinkles out. I don't know.
No, be listen me and say, even if you don't like ironing, what else me tell you say? More you for do. Me not tell you for do nothing at all, be. And one thing I ask you for do be because we go up on the road and I say I want to look active. Why? And then you go take up more clothes boy you want to press and burn up my shirt them.
Well, what do you? I don't know what I did. I must have
like. I ask you be, and I just know my ask you for press them up. Look how long I ask you.
Oh, I know what happened.
What happened?
My phone. I heard a notification, and I bet you I left it there and forgot to come get it.
You know what I'm going to do going forward?
What?
It's like you don't want to press these to me. And me have to do it myself. I am made for press them.
Okay.
I have somebody to come in and press them.
Why can't? What?
Mom say alright with it.
Why can't you do it?
Why can't me do it?
Yeah.
If me tired and come in every day, me come in and work and I am
Babe,
tired.
I'll do it. I just won't leave it like right long like
you
that.
You see, I still do it again. You still do it again.
I was trying to show you what I did.
No, you're good, man. You're good, man.
Babe, I won't do it no more.
Hey, you want to mash up my clothes then? You want to get rid of my clothes then? You're alright, man. You're good, man. You're alright.
I think I might wear it.
Nah, look fine, you know. You're alright, man. You're good. You're alright.
I'll wear it.
Where you go wear that go? Where B? Where you go wear that go? It can't wear gonna make a mean and
I
walk
think
with
it'll
yourself.
set a statement.
Huh?
It'll set a statement.
Is this a couple of like something wrong with you? Something wrong with you? Something really wrong with you?
I mean, like, yeah, so.
I am pram. When me I go wear now? When me I go wear? What is it I am going to wear? Cause everything is just a joke to you, and it's just a game. You just a laugh of your 32 teeth. Ain't like you take me for a joke. It's good, man. It's good, man.
Babe, it's just a shirt. Like you're getting all mad over a shirt.
Yeah, but baby,
It's a shirt. Smart enough. Don't piss me off. It's a shirt. Okay? Big deal. I ruined a freaking shirt. Who cares? It's a shirt.
Don't ramp with me. I don't want you to play with me a bit. Everything I take for you. Too much, man, B. Look where you Michelle.
Babe, listen.
What?
I bought this shirt at the second-hand store. Yours is right here. I didn't burn it. It's a prank, you silly man.
Yeah.
It's a prank. I bought it at the second-hand store.
You have sense. You have sense. And I eat that shit.
Oh well, guys. It was fun. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. And remember, comment, like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. And remember to keep God first in everything that you do. God, we just love you, and we just give our life. We give this channel over to you, and yeah. So thanks for watching, guys, and peace out. Until next time. Babe. Forgive me.
Yo, can't bother with it. No, you ram too much, B, man. You ram too much, man.
Team Jen.
Team Aki and the team.
Team Jen. Prank war.
I may say Ireland boss, I may represent for Akeem and Jen. And you know them YouTube channels, so I may tell you no, I may send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?